Today we're going to talk about the mistakes I made during this print and the build. So we're going to slice this plate and I'm going to show you exactly where I went wrong. First thing, I should have, instead of waiting all night for it to get to 4 hours and 37 minutes into the print to put the ballast weights in, I should have just did it at like 1 hour, so I wasn't sitting up all night waiting for this thing to finish printing. Another thing that you'll notice here, all this open cavity, and zoom in here, and just thin infill in this area, all the way around really, made this bait really buoyant. And if I'd have followed the instructions that were on the printables, website from the guy who created this lure, he puts a lot of lead weight up in the front, and I only put 5 steel BBs in the front and 3 in the back. So when I had it all sealed and all the hook eyes and tie eye installed, it just floated on its side. So I'll show you in the next part of this video what I did to add weight to the front. I can just do it right now. We'll just you'll see how that finished printed out. It was a 5 hour 11-minute print. It's a really cool looking lure, and I'm gonna do another one the right way again, but I'm not gonna video the whole process, but I'm fixing to show you exactly what I did to put weight towards the front. I took and I drilled let me move this back here, drilled like a 3/8 inch hole in diameter here and here, and I epoxied some worm bullet weights, one here and one here. I'll show you that in the video coming up, or I'll post I'll put a picture on here, whatever, showing you. So basically what I needed to do is, during the print, I needed to add more weight in here. Also, I needed to make the infill. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. If you don't know anything about 3D printing, me telling you infill is really pointless. So all this in here is open. I should have made this closer to like 75 or 100% infill. It'd be stronger, and it'd be heavier. It would help with the weight situation. And I would add lead split shots, or like buckshot or something in there to help weigh the front of this lure down. I probably wouldn't put anything in this back. I'd make it buoyant, so that way when it sunk nose first, and that tail would, kind of, that's the reason why I added the weight to the bottom here towards the nose of the bait. So yeah, that's the mistakes that I believe I made on this lure, and going forward I'm going to do a better job of, especially on a bait that's supposed to sink even slowly, like this. This bait it's a lipless crankbait, so it uses its weight to get down to the depth, and then you reel it in and it rattles. They call them rattle traps, all types. There's several different names for it, but in the last video you saw, I glued the eye in there. There's a lot of strength back here already, just by how I had it set up. But I think if I had run with like a 75% infill instead of, let's see what I did on this one. Strength. It's showing 100% infill, but I didn't do 100% infill. 100% infill, that would be filled up all the way. So anyway, long story short, there were some mistakes made. When you see the lure next, it's going to have some epoxy from where those weights were thrown in there, and I'm even contemplating on drilling another hole to add more weight to the inside of this cavity here. So when you see it, I will have already done everything I'm telling you. And so that's that. Hope y'all are enjoying this build. If you are, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Help us build this small YouTube channel. And happy fishing. And hopefully on the next episode, we'll have this and we'll be fishing with it. And a couple other 3D printed lures that I've been working on in the background. Thank you. Have a great day.